So here at Hud-Son, we are running a sale for the next week on the HFE-33, 33-inch sawmill. Comes with 16-horse Briggs motor, electric start. Do a 33-inch diameter log. Also comes with 2 sections of track with dogs. Also comes with a case of blades, which is a $430 value. So you have 15 extra blades plus the one on the mill. So 16 will get you up and sawn. And we've got a good start. Already got some sold today. So don't procrastinate like I do. Call in. It only lasts a week. So April 15th is the deadline. Thanks.